Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. I have like this weird blob of highlighter that I couldn't blend out because it's a liquid highlighter. So if you're blinded, I'm sorry. Makeup testing mishap today. Today I have my Ipsy bag, I have my Macy's bag, and then I also have the Walmart winter box that I thought I would throw in here at the end. I was shocked because it's Martin Luther King Day. When I'm filming this, it's going to be another week before I get it up just because of the other videos I have already planned. I was shocked that it was delivered on Martin Luther King Jr. Day because we don't get mail. So I don't know who delivered it, but yeah, excited to get my Ipsy. We're going to start with it because it's the latest arrival and I'm very excited. The first thing I have is from the SAEM, SAEM. And if you didn't know, Ipsy is $13 a month, and you're supposed to get 5 sample size products. Occasionally you get like a set of sheet masks, which count as a sample. So I have 2 from the SAEM. This one is hyaluronic acid, and this one is a multivitamin sheet mask. I went through 60 sheet masks last year, so you know they're gonna get eventually used. Here is the bag this month. I think it's really pretty. It's kind of like this, almost feels like, I don't know how to describe it. It's unlike any bag that I've had before. Let's grab out the card and see if they gave me prices on things. Yes, they did. So these are $3 a piece, so that's a $6 value already for your $13 bag. That's good. This is supposed to be over a $50 value, so we'll see. This is from HIPDOT. And it is a precise brush. I don't know what precise about it. It retails for $12. I'm going to pass this along because this is not a brush that I will use. And I have so many brushes I am trying to sort through right now. And a lot of them were ones that I knew I probably wouldn't use. And I kept them anyway and tried to use them. So we're just going to leave that in its little sleeve and pass it along. We have from, oh, and that retails for $12. Then we have this Ibuy Beauty Maldives highlighter. It's supposed to retail for $14 for the full size. Grabbing out my trusty scissors. I have another Ibuy highlighter that is really nice. So that's what it looks like. We'll give it a little swatch. Okay, it's pretty. It probably is easier to work with than the highlighter that I have on my face right now. It's really shiny. Wow, it's doing that reflective, kind of the same as the highlighter I'm wearing. Okay, next in here we have a TATCHA. This is, I think this was my pick, but it doesn't tell me what it is. It is the Deep Cleanse, and it retails for $38 for a full size, so just a regular cleanser. But TATCHA is a, you know, expensive brand, so it's nice to get something from them. And the final item in here is from Complex Culture. It is the Rosy Outlook eyeshadow palette. Super pretty colors in that. Oh my gosh. Very, very pretty. Okay, the shimmers are just okay. Especially this one, not exactly exciting. Quit changing the colors. I like them. I think this color is going to be like my standout in this set. The retail of that is supposed to be $30 for the full size. I don't know how many shadows are in a full size palette. Overall, not too bad of a deal, actually. I think I'm pretty happy with my Ipsy. I'm going to use the sheet masks. I probably will use the highlighter. The eyeshadow looks pretty nice. And the TATCHA cleanser looks good too. The only thing I'm not excited about is the brush. So 4 out of 5 this month, which is better than last month. Last month felt like such a disappointment, especially like, I don't know, December you always feel like it should be an extra special month. And they used to do extra special months, but it didn't feel special last month. Okay, moving on to Macy's. I did unpack everything and stick it in here because I just needed it corralled a little bit. So you always get your thing here, and then you get your coupon. This, you can use this once in store and once online if you want. It's $5 off of 20. It used to be like just 5 off of 10, but things happen. First up is the thing that wouldn't fit in the bag. Oh, I should show you the bag. So it does have little sayings on it. It says, self-care, be kind to yourself, me time. It's a pretty color. It's just like your standard plastic, so it's easy to cleanse at least. And the one thing that wouldn't fit in there is from Babor, and it is the Hydra Plus Ampule Concentrates, and this retails for $29.99, which I think is actually the price of this item itself. I got a pack of these in Glossy Box years ago, or something else from this same company, and I have never used it. They just keep sitting, and I really need to use them. So you have those right there. You have to break off the top, and then you like pour it out. It seems a little complicated, which is why I haven't done it. So they're gonna sit in my serums for a while. Then we have this. This is from Elemis. This is the Pro-Collagen Cleansing Balm, which is nice. This retails for $64 for a full size. That's a lot of money. It smells pretty good. It has like a lemony type scent to it, so not too bad. Then we have from Clarins. This is the Total Eye Lift. It is an eye replenishing eye concentrate. This retails for $89. Dang, okay. I mean, this is just a teeny tiny amount, but I would not buy an $89 eye cream. Then we have a perfume sample. It is Beautiful Magnolia from Estee Lauder. I like that they do a different type of packaging for this one. I don't know, the boxes just feel more luxurious than the little cards. This retails for $128 for full size. This is warm florals, inviting musk. That doesn't, and then sandalwood. That doesn't tell you anything. I have smelled this one before. I got a sample to try and put a review up for. Yeah, it's really pretty. I don't always like magnolias, but this one is a very pretty magnolia. Okay, we have from Haus. It is the Glow and Go Gold Eye Recovery Patches. These retail for $30. You must have several packets of them in that. I will definitely use those because I have been all about eye patches lately. And my last thing in here is from AHAVA. This is the Deadsea Water Mineral Hand Cream. Super excited about this. Know I will use this because I've been going through a lot more hand creams lately, and I really like this one. So this one was actually pretty good too. I know I'll use this. There may not be the most exciting things, but they're things I'll actually use. We'll use the eye patches. If I don't use the eye cream, my mom will. Cleansing balm, definitely will use the cleansing balm. We'll use the perfume. This is kind of interesting, a little nerve-wracking, but I do need to use the other ones that I have. So yeah, pretty good for Ipsy and Macy's this month. Macy's probably edges it out just a little bit because you get that other product. And I don't care that they didn't include a men's fragrance. Macy's is $15 a month, by the way, I should say that. So I think Macy's won it this month. Let me know what your thoughts are. Last thing is my Walmart beauty box. This was for the winter. It came pretty dented. Much better than my fall box, which they sent to my parents' address instead of mine, even though I had changed it. And then I got it and I only had 3 of the 7 items, and I had upgraded to the $10 box. Contacted them and they are like, can you provide an order number? So then you have to go and find where they keep the order numbers in your account because they don't send you that in your confirmation emails. And then they said, oh, well, we triple checked when it left our warehouse. And I was like, I sent you pictures and showed you the damage and how it had been taped up, like completely every inch of it had been taped. And they said, as a one-time courtesy, and I'm adding the nasally voice, but as a one-time courtesy, we will refund your money. Well, good, because I only ended up with half of the items. You sent it to the wrong address, so it took me months to get. And 2 of the 3 items that I did get, I can't use because they have peppermint or lavender in them. So I won't upgrade again. I don't know if I'm going to continue with this. So here's what it looks like. You slip it open. Tissue paper is kind of trashed already. And then you have a list of things. So possible things you could get are a liquid IV supplement, hydrating mist toner, Gold Bond face and body lotion, a scalp care shampoo, eyeliner, blow dry hair cream, retractable brow pencil, a 4-shade eyeshadow palette from Profusion. That would be exciting. Number 7, correcting booster serum, or hemp's lotion, or a nano invisible. I'm looking at this and I don't see a lot that matches here. So I did get the Invisibobble. I don't like these. They don't work for my hair, unfortunately. So I will be passing these along. I have too much hair and it's too fine and they don't work. They didn't work for me. Then I have from Shea Moisture, this is a coconut and hibiscus illuminating body lotion with Songyi mushroom. I mean, I'll eventually use it. It's not terrible. Is it? Oh, the seal didn't work very well. It smells nice. I will definitely give it a go, but that was not on the list. This is the Hydration Multiplier in Strawberry. So I guess I did get 2 items from that list. I don't really know if I need an electrolyte powder, but whatever. Milani Highly Rated Mascara. I have tried this and I didn't like it, so I will be passing that one along. This I might give to my mom because she has worse feet than me. This is Carousel Intensive Foot Repair. Visible results in just 1 day. I mean, this is not super exciting to get. Wow. It's an ointment. Okay. It's supposed to exfoliate dry feet. Not on the list either. Assortments will vary based on your beauty profile. I have no idea. This is Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula with Vitamin E Length Retention Biotin Pack. It's created for all curl patterns and textures. Well, I don't have curly hair. This is as curly as I get because I had it braided. My hair just doesn't, yeah. So this is like, you put this on and allow 2 to 3 minutes. So I'll pass it along because I don't have curly hair, so not useful. There's my tissue paper. And my last thing in here is from Bliss. This is the I Got This Depuffs and Brightens Holographic Foil Eye Masks. Okay, I'll use this. I'll use this. And I'll use the lotion. So that's 2. I might make myself use this because just so I get use out of something else. Can't use this. Can't use this because those are not from my hair type. Mascara, it doesn't work for me. It like transferred everywhere. And this is like, this is so boring, like, and not, I don't know, not glamorous. And I feel like these are supposed to be staples and not, you know, fun little things. And this doesn't feel fun. So I know they're $1 each. So not terribly bad, but I don't know if the 3 that I'm keeping are worth $7. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on this box. Do you think I should keep it? Do you think I should let it go and just like forget it? I had so much hope for it when they re-upped it, and I thought, oh, they got their stuff together. We're finally going to get things, but I've had so many problems. So let me know your thoughts on Ipsy. Let me know your thoughts on Macy's. Let me know your thoughts on Walmart. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I can't wait to talk to you next time. Bye.